the scheme which is made, an initiative of Honorable CM, that we have to make a scheme for Mapusa, it's called Town Planning Scheme Mapusa, has to have the maximum awareness among the people, so that people are well taught, are made aware what the scheme stands for and what benefits it will give to society or the residents. And in that scheme, the question of land acquisition has not come, because here we said the people's participation has to be within the scheme. That's why you might have come to know that we are asking a willingness. Suppose you are willing to work with scheme, you are giving the willingness that take my land. It is very clear how we will develop the scheme. We said if we get the willingness, within 18 months we should develop that part. We will not develop the entire stretch what is there. But if we develop 3 lakhs, 4 lakhs for which we get the scheme, and the continuation will be from there. If we develop 3 lakh square meters of land, we will draw, the total master plan will be drawn with that, but continuing the scheme will be there. So,
जेन्ना म्हापसाचे डेव्हलपमेंटाचो विशय येयलो तेन्ना CM बी फाटले जे गव्हर्मेंट आसले तेन्ना डिस्कशन करून मागीर ही टाउन इन कंट्री प्लॅनिंगच्या अंडर त्या एक्टा सकयल ही स्कीम घेवची म्हणून ते डिसायड केले. आनी हेतून कितें आहा, हे जे आमचे लँड ओनर आहा ते एक हे स्किमीन पार्टनर, म्हणजे ते हिशोबान जे CMन मागीर डिसायड केल्ले 33% जी लँड आहा ती ओनर आनी टेनंट आहा तांकां वयतली. 33% आहा तो इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर, रोड जावं ओपन स्पेसीस, बाकीचे कितें एनिमिटीज आहा इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर तेका, आनी 33% आहा तितलो तो गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन वतलो. तितून ते गव्हर्मेंटाचे प्रोजेक्ट येतले, भितर आनी कितें